Welcome to another LusoCAD tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of hatching, and specifically, some hatch creation options that LusoCAD offers us, those being hatch associativity and separate hatch creation. Hatching in LusoCAD fills a specified area in your drawing with a pattern. It's commonly used to represent materials, distinguish sections, or add visual clarity to your designs. In this window, we can customize our hatch appearance, its associativity, and whether the hatches will be separate or not. We can also specify that the hatch is annotative. This property automates the process of scaling annotations so that they plot or display at the correct size on the paper. You can pick several different boundaries, but they will be hatched into one singular hatch entity. If this is not what you want, you can check the Create Separate Hatches box to create individual hatches. Now, on to associative hatching. We will create two hatches, one associative and one non-associative. Once the hatch is created, you won't be able to change its associativity, so it's important to choose wisely. An associative hatch is linked to its boundary. That means if you modify the boundary, like moving or reshaping it, the hatch updates automatically to match. A non-associative hatch, on the other hand, is independent. If you change the boundary, the hatch stays as it was. It doesn't update or move with the boundary. The process of creating a hatch object follows this order. Create the hatch object. Specify the outer loop, the main boundary. Add any inner loops, like holes or cutouts. This structure helps LusoCAD understand how to fill the area correctly. Now you know the difference between associative and non-associative hatches, and how to use them effectively in your drawings. We also learned how to create separate hatches by selecting different boundaries, without launching the command each time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more LusoCAD tips.